Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you the installation of VMware Workstation 16 on my Windows 10 computer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I've just gone to Google website to download a VMware Workstation free download, and the very first link that it has given me is the download page. And if you scroll down, and you'll actually have the download now. If you click on that, we'll download. I'll just cancel that download since I've already downloaded it, and double click on that to start the installation. Okay, it's preparing for installation. Click on next. I will share the download the link below the video in the description as well. So accept terms and condition. Click next. This is the installation path is on C drive. So if there is any reason for you guys to change that to any other drive, you can change that path in here. But in my case, I will leave that to default to the C drive. Clicking on next. We'll leave this on the default as well, and click on next to install. Guys, it's really a great application for you to set up your home labs for study or for any other reasons. Once this installation is completed, I will be setting up or creating a new virtual machine to show you how the VMware Workstation works as well to installing Windows 10 or 11. So please stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so it's almost there. Okay. Now, if you do have a license, you can add the license in here for commercial use. Otherwise, you can click on finish. And yeah, if I open that, it will probably ask me for the license again. Or it doesn't. Okay. And yeah, this is where you'll create a new virtual machine. So guys, please do like my video if you enjoyed it, and leave any comments below. Please stay tuned for my next video, how to create the new virtual machines. Thank you and stay safe. Thank you.